Here we are in front of Dhobi Ghat, the world's largest outdoor laundry. So you can see behind me all the clothes that are being hung out to dry. So Dhobi Ghat is this huge outdoor laundry operation where they do everything from washing, rinsing, drying, I'm sure even ironing, but it's all outdoors. And it is right next to a train station as well. Dhobi Ghat has the Guinness World Record for the most people hand washing clothes at a single location. And apparently 7,000 people work here, and every day 100,000 items of clothes are washed, cleaned and dried. Okay, so down here there's like a river of blue water, which I guess it's all the runoff from the detergent that's being used to clean it. Maybe the dye from the jeans, there's a lot of jeans over there. But it goes very far at the back, all the way, I guess, to these big buildings that are behind it. And Dhobi Ghat is over 125 years old. All of these clothes apparently come from hotels and businesses, so it's not, say, regular families. And there are some, I guess, more well-off people doing this that have stopped hand washing and now have, I guess, industrialized washing machines. But yeah, you can see some machinery there. I've come down, I don't know if we can actually get in, because I guess it is like a business. But Dhobi Ghat featured in Slumdog Millionaire. For anyone that has watched that, you might recognize it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Want to make tour inside? Come, very good place. You get a very fine tour. Tour for us is only 300.
300?
Guys will come
200?
Very cheap price. You see the tour inside.
How long?
It's 25 minutes, 20 minutes.
And I can film?
Yeah. We will come with you, the guide.
250.
Okay.
250?
250.
So what will you show me?
We will show you sterilizing area, how the people works, from where the clothes come, when this place was built, how the people lives inside. There's lots of history over here.
Okay.
You can enjoy inside. English is little bit slow, but you can come to know. And if you come doesn't know, then I will explain.
Okay. What's your name?
Hayat.
Hayat. Nice to meet you. And you are from Mumbai?
Which is a living inside me.
Okay, so at least we're able to get in it compared to Cider Pit when I wasn't allowed. Although I do have to pay for a tour. I probably could have paid them in Cider Pit and they would have let me. So here we got the dryers, it sounds like.
Where you from?
I'm from Australia.
Yes. It's a no clip, it's a rope close. No clip. It's a rope close.
Just put it over.
It's a dry close.
Okay. Yes,
It's a new clothes.
they don't have pegs.
New clothes, sir.
New clothes, yeah.
Not wash clothes.
Okay. Yeah. So they.
Morning 4 a.m. start, 9 p.m. close 9.
Oh wow.
It's a everyday 12 hours, 13 hours routine.
13 hours a day. Wow.
It's a everyday long time.
Yeah.
It's a washing machine 2,000 piece clothes every day.
2,000 loads.
2,000 piece clothes. 1 hour, 200 piece clothes. It's a electric power.
200 in pieces of
200
clothes.
piece clothes, 1 hour.
And it takes 1 hour.
This
Okay.
is a hand wash clothes. This is the number. 550.
Yep.
This is the number by the house. It's a
Okay.
family business.
So this is house. That's where they wash.
One family,
Okay.
one business.
So then here.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So each
It's
house.
a 1,000 piece clothes.
Each house has their own little
This is a
washing area
1,000 piece clothes.
in one day.
Every day, 1,000 piece
Okay.
clothes. Pants, shirt. This is a woman's clothes.
So hand washing, they can do
Yeah, hand
1,000
wash
pieces a day.
This is all Bombay area, local area, the hotels, railway, laundry, new clothes companies,
Yeah.
houses come here inside.
Okay. So of course, like having the machine, it's a lot faster, but then has expenses, electricity, maintenance if it breaks down. Okay, here we got, maybe it's spinning.
5,000 people living inside family.
5,000. Okay.
People live inside the houses.
Yeah.
It's a woman's clothes.
Yeah. And is this to dry the clothes?
It's a dry clothes.
So it's spinning it. Okay.
No, with a hand, no.
No. Yeah. Goodbye. Yeah, so I'm not going to put my hand in the spinner. What are you talking about?
Hello.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You work here?
Yeah, we work here.
Ah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Cricket, yeah.
Have to go.
Yeah. This is a woman's clothes. This is a woman's clothes. Yeah. It's
Okay.
a dry clothes. It's a man washing clothes.
So the man washes and the woman puts the clothes away. Okay. And here's the washing machine. And very dark in here. So we've got here people folding the clothes once it's been dried. Hello. What's your name? Mire.
The bowling
7
clothes
years
is a
old.
area. It's a hospital clothes. Kerala station.
Where?
It's
Hospital.
a hospital clothes coming inside. There is a fire.
Ah, okay.
It's a hospital coming inside.
And they
It's a
wash the
place,
clothes?
it's a water chemicals.
Okay.
It's a bleach chemicals.
Oh, bleach.
This is the rod.
Yep.
It's a fire start.
Yep.
It's a turning clothes.
Ah, so they
It's
put
a
the
woman is
put the
just-
clothes, bleach it with water, and
It's a rod.
stir it with the stick.
Kerala station, a hospital.
okay,
This is
hospital.
the uniform doctor giving
Yeah.
one operation blade. It's a back seat is a blade.
Yeah.
Coming inside chemicals in
Get
the
rid
water.
of the blood. Yeah.
Hot water.
And
It's a boiling-
then there's a little vent where it would come up there. The smell would be so strong. There's not much space for the bleach smell to get out.
Sir, it's my house.
Your house?
Yes,
Ah.
family.
And then this is
Yeah,
yours?
this is the boss.
Okay.
No working inside.
Yeah.
It's a, every day the hard working is a skin problem.
Yeah,
It's a skin problem with the chemicals.
yeah. So his house is,
It's a woman,
His house
it's a
is
wife,
here.
it's a dry clothes.
and
Me wife, it's a dry clothes.
Okay.
Me washing clothes.
yeah, so
one
he
baby
washes
daughter,
and his
7
wife
days.
will put all the...
Sir, one baby total 7 age. One baby total
Ah, nice.
7 age.
7, yeah. Hello.
कल मिला ना? हाँ, कल दिया कि ना? 500 रुपये था.
These are finished or they're dirty?
Yes, it's a okay.
Oh, they're-
No,
Oh,
it's a
there's-
washing clothes.
Okay, to wash
No,
it.
it's a clean no. It's a washing clothes.
Ah, okay, so these are dirty, then they'll get
These are
washed here.
chemicals.
Yep.
It's a no wash clothes.
Okay, yeah.
This is a chemical.
Not yet. Yep.
What's the after is a washing clothes. And
Ah, okay, yeah. And here's the soap that they use, and they scrub it.
this is a hand wash clothes. Come.
Okay, yep. And then here we got someone hand washing the clothes now.
Picture. Maro, bhai. Hello, sir. Look inside.
Yeah.
This is the. Be
Yes.
careful.
Nearly put my foot in there.
This is a dawn.
Okay, so here, hand washing it. So we've got the concrete block and then scrubbing it with the brush and cleaning the clothes. And then, yeah, and then they beat it against the wooden block. And I'm getting sprayed.
Nice store. Happy.
Yeah, it's okay. Good.
Yes, it's a 250 rupees is the society. 250 society. It is the charge.
The man
Yeah,
told me 250
yes,
for 20 minutes.
It's the-
8 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah.
How time?
8 minutes. Yeah. So what else is there to see?
This is the woman's sari.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so then they're cleaning all the saris, like the Indian types of dresses.
area.
The women that wash the clothes around here. So we've got the big washing machine and spinner to dry the clothes. The water comes out and goes into the gutter, where I don't know where this. And where does this water go?
It's a dirty water is a worldly sickness.
Hmm?
It's a big gutter. Big gutter is a
Not-
it is a samandar's clothes.
But
It's a hardly.
the water goes to the river?
It's a big gutter in the outside.
Okay. I don't know. I guess it probably goes to the river.
This is a washing machine.
Okay. Washing machine, I did see him just spit in the washing machine. So, clean clothes with a bit of spit. Okay, and here's the clothes that's just come out of the washing machine. Then I'm sure they'll need to get spun and then dried. And then they're ironing in here. And you also you dye the clothes here as well?
Yes.
You dye the clothes? Like,
Yes.
where do they do that?
Yes.
Where do they dye the clothes?
Dye color.
Yeah, color.
Like the color is outside.
Okay. Not here.
Yes.
Okay. So where we started is where they dye the clothes, apparently.
This is the marking cloth tag. This is the number.
Okay. And
We use as a set as a washing clothes and name, number, mobile number, contract.
it's to find out
This
whose
is the
it is.
Any5.
If
It's
you-
a passport.
If you lose
We
it.
use the dip.
Okay. Good.
It's a no miss.
Okay, good. So they label all the clothes to make sure none of the clothes gets lost.
Okay? 250 rupees.
Yeah. Yeah. When we go out.
Yes.
When we go out.
Okay, come. The by train.
Train, yeah. Thank you. So that was a look into Dhobi Ghat to see the whole process from when they wash the clothes, rinse the clothes, spin the clothes, dry the clothes, iron the clothes. Goodbye.